Hello guys, I'd like to tell you a little story today on Exploring Discover. Pretty much what the story is about is me. I know that my heritage is part Blackfoot Indian, part Scottish, part Irish, part German. I'm pretty much a purebred mutt. That's what I pretty much am. But I wanted to find out exactly what I come, what I am mostly, okay, and stuff like that. And I don't know. I really don't know off the top of my head. My parents say you're part this, part that, part this, part this. They don't know how much exactly of it I am though. So I decided to go to 23andMe, and this is not sponsored by any way, shape, or form and everything. And go ahead and get one of their ancestry DNA kits and stuff. So I went ahead and did that, and I'm going to tell you a bit about that. And pretty much I recorded this video once already, full disclosure, and I didn't have no sound. Yeah. I tried a new mic and it didn't work. Pretty much when you open the box though, you get confronted with this, and it's, hi, let's get started. And then they say, we are excited for you to begin your journey. And they're it's telling you this and stuff. I'm wanting to know about who I am, and so I decided to do this. And then they give you all the step-by-step instructions, and I read this. It says no food or drink for 30 minutes. Go to the, spit to the fill line. Close the funnel, then unscrew the funnel, and then put the cap on, and then put it in the bag, and then mail it and put it back in the box. And then, not mail it first. Put it back in the box, then mail it. Because if you mail it and then put it back in the box, it's going to be kind of hard. Because you already mailed the box. Anyways, so I read all of this, and it's very simple instructions and stuff. Plus, I did it on the app also. And so I have everything all set up on my app. It was very easy to get set up and everything. Now, granted, all the app stuff and everything doesn't say on what it's going to be. For the simple reason that, they haven't got the stuff back to tell you what it is. So, but I'm doing this because, like I said, I want to find out what part of what I am. My dad's Blackfoot, part Blackfoot Indian, part something else, and I don't know what that is. It could be part Scottish. It could be part Irish, something like that. I don't know. Pretty much, I want to know exactly what's in me because I find it interesting. My last name is Johnston, which is a Scottish name, and I found the coat of arms for that, but how much Scottish do I have in me? How much anything do I have in me? So therefore, I want to know what this says, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, after I finished everything, it gives me additional steps required, and then fill out a health profile also. I haven't done them yet, so let's go ahead and see what they say. Open in browser, let's see. Let's find out what this says. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the bottom and everything of this, and I'm not sponsored by them at all. I don't get nothing from this, but if you guys want to know where you're from and everything, this is a good place to start. Whether you go with 23andMe or Ancestry or whoever you go with, this is, to me, going to be a good thing and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit back on this and back again. And then I'm going to see what it says for fill out my health profile. It says it's going to take 10 to 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and start the survey. It asks how is my general health to me. I'd say it's good. Have I smoked cigarettes? No, I don't smoke cigarettes at all. In the last 2 weeks, how many servings of alcohol? None. I don't know how this matters, but it asks for my marital status, and unfortunately I'm single. I have never been married, so. All that stuff and everything's all taken care of now. All I gotta do is, like I said, send this in, and I'm good, okay? That'll all come back and give me all the stuff, and after that, I'll find out more about me. Until then, I know this has been a long video, so I wanted to explore me more, so I figured this fit well into the realm of this channel. So until next time, I encourage you guys. I encourage you guys a whole lot to go out, explore, dream, and discover. Until next time, bye.